We all know that plants absorb carbon dioxide and then release oxygen. But is that all that really happens? From agriculture, food production, to the very air that we breathe. Plants help us humans to thrive on this planet. But one question remains. How do they do it? Aside from carbon dioxide, there are other things that a plant absorbs. It is sunlight and water. And the process that we are going to talk about today is the process that we call photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in two stages, the light-dependent stage and the light-independent stage. For the light-dependent stage, plants use the power of sunlight. This light energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll, which turns it into a chemical energy. This light energy is what is needed to split the water into hydrogen and oxygen. And as we know, oxygen is the waste product of the plant. But then, what happens to this leftover hydrogen? Within the plant, there's a constant flow of energy. ATP, or adenosine diphosphate, which is a biomolecule in the plant, is transformed into ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. This can be seen as a rechargeable battery for the plant. This conversion is fueled by the energy harvested during the light-dependent stage, ensuring that the plant always has a source of power. Simultaneously, NADP, another molecule within the plant, plays a very crucial role. When the plant needs energy for later use, NADP steps in. It absorbs the hydrogen ions that were split apart earlier, becoming NADPH, a high-energy molecule. This NADPH is like a mobile energy carrier, ready to supply the necessary fuel when it is time to convert the carbon dioxide into glucose. The glucose in photosynthesis has many different jobs. It can be used by the plant for energy in a process that we call cellular respiration. It's also used to make cellulose, and when a plant has extra glucose, it can be turned into a big molecule that we call starch. And it is stored in roots, tubers, or fruits of the plant for later use. It's truly amazing how these processes work together to create the air we breathe and the food that we rely on. Nature has its own complex symphony, and we're very fortunate to witness it. That's why we must protect our environment and ensure that plants continue to thrive and provide for all living beings on this planet.